Boss.
We've got something.
Incoming. On your 12.
Where the hell did that come from?
Just came out of nowhere.
Bravo team reported a storm in their last transmission.
Hostiles using it for cover.
An ambush, like in Hellman?
Let's not find out.
Redcon 1!
There are hostiles hiding behind that
Storm, things might get kinetic.
Copy that. Marshall, what you doing, bro?
In case I get my head blown off, they can still tell who I am.
Hardcore shit, cabrón.
Damn, that shit's close! Link! You ever seen lightning like this before?
No, never. But I feel pretty secure here in this big steel box, holding my metal gun.
dash on your 12! Look at those markers! What the hell is that? Watch out! Damn it! Brace yourself!
Where the hell are we? And what happened to the storm?
What the hell just happened? Hey,
Guys!
you okay?
I'll survive.
Did we just get hit by lightning?
Thilla, you good?
Never better. Where'd all this sand come from?
This isn't right, none of it. What the hell is that? I don't see any structures or mountains marked on this map. According to this, the nearest sand dune is 20 clicks away.
How's that possible? Where the hell are we? How do we get so far from the road?
I don't know. Axe, get on one of those dunes and set up an observation point.
Yes, boss.
Steeler,
DPV will run. She's had worse.
Marshall,
GPS is fried, boss. Radio and sat, all I got is static. Even the compass is screwed up. Must have been the lightning strike.
But what do you want to do?
go analog, navigate by the sun. We make it back to base, we hoof it if we have to.
Boss, that's a long hike.
Yeah, well, we keep going till we get comms. And AWACS will call in support. They'll send helos, maybe armor. Nice. Got us back in business.
Boss,
Send it.
something you gotta see.
Wrap armor DPV and a MAT V. It's Bravo team. V formation, move out.
What do we do about them?
When we get comms, we'll call in recovery assets to retrieve the bodies.
What happened to them?
Flamethrowers.
I don't think so. Never seen a flamethrower do this to a man. Not even napalm burns that hot.
Ma'am?
It's glass.
Glass.
When sand melts, it turns to glass.
How do you melt sand?
I don't know.
This shit is officially above my pay grade.